Hi. So today we will learn how to create a Reddit ads from scratch completely. So since in last video I have already shown you how to create a tags and how to track the website conversion into your Reddit account. So if that is something done, so you can just go ahead and create the the campaigns. I will show you from scratch one by one steps. So to create ads, the first thing what you have to do is you have to go to the tag manager. You have to go to the dashboards. Over here you can see all things are completely raw. I have not added anything. This is completely the empty dashboard. Now go to the hit the create the campaign. At this point, okay, so you have got an option to import your campaign from other platform for example like Meta. That is something not we will be going to do it, because we are looking to target those people who are looking for the digital signages and are searching for the solution on the platform. So if you know if you don't know how to create ads on Reddit, you can just go ahead with a simple create. If you know how things work in very advanced version, you can just go with the advanced you can just click on that advanced create, and that's what we will be going to use. So we will be using the advanced you know the advanced option to create an ad, and we will not be importing any ad, so we can just skip that part. So let's name let's name the campaign. So in this case, let's see, since we will be creating ads, let's use ChatGPT first, because that's important thing. So I'll ask ChatGPT that I'm looking to create I'm looking to create an ad on Reddit. So for digital signages, so help me with the 10 title and I'll just give the name of the website. Huh. So over here we already have you know so what ChatGPT did is it just found out some of the subreddits already available, so that we can target them easily. So that is the pretty much easy to target, and have also created the description and the title for us. So let's go ahead and so at this point, since we are already trying to create an since we are already trying to create an for the US market, so I'll just name it the US. And this is not something we'll opt it out, because this is not something our business. So I'll just move to the conversion part directly, because that's what our ultimate goal is. Payment is something already set up. That is something at cap. Let's just keep it $100, and we'll continue. Okay, so now we'll set up the ad group. Let's add some of the keywords which I have got. Of course, over the period of time, I will try to monetize. No, sorry, I will try to optimize the campaign for sure. But at this point, we'll just use all the the general terms what we have got it from the the chat gpt. And this is not the best way. This is not the best way. I'm just trying to explain, like, how to create a the ads specifically from the scratch. Digital billboards. And for the the and for the keywords, what you can do is you can also copy some of the keywords from the Google Ads if you're running any campaign. Otherwise, you can do some of the little bit research about, like, the keywords. You will find you will find some. So this is all the suggestion. That is something we don't want. Okay, so now we can use this, the subreddits over here. See, and we can target them. Oh, we do not have such. Let's see with the signages. No, we do not have. No, we do not have. Okay, so I think at this point this is working perfectly fine. We'll add some of them in future. Hmm. So I'll just rename this, because this campaign we will be okay. So I'll just rename this, the ad group. So I just thought of creating, the one ad group just for one special, the special integration that we have as Salesforce. So we'll move ahead with the Salesforce. At this point, we don't have any custom audience. Yeah, I'll just ignore that part. The location, I'll select the United States. Devices, all. Manual placement. I'll not care about the brand safety at all at this point. The daily budget, let's keep it, 20 daily. Start date, we can start now. Let's not put any end date. Let's not put any end date, because we are still trying to test the platform. We don't have any idea, like, how the campaign will go ahead. So we are just trying to the test of the campaign. Sign up. This is the conversion which we have set up, so it's working perfectly fine. Lowest cost. So I'll just click on the lowest cost. We'll do this part, in some of our other campaign. And now Salesforce, I'll just name it Salesforce. Let me download some of the images from the Canva. I think I will already have it in my download. Okay, so we have got this image. So this ads is for Salesforce, so I'll use this one. Now we'll copy some of the. Okay, so the interesting thing about the Reddit ads. So as we know, there is a multiple the community that we have and created and divided into the subreddits. So based on that, since we have got some of the idea, let's say for example, digital signage. So for digital signage, if you're targeting one the category, for that one category, you can just create one ad and then use that communication specifically talking to that the community. So I think that is the one of the best thing which we have. But yeah, moving forward, I'll just go ahead and then I'll see like if you can use other image, and we'll move it from the the Salesforce integration, because that is something little bit tricky. So we'll go overall, not with just the one integration. So this is the the image which have worked very well for us on Google Ads. So I'll try to use this, and then same thumbnail. Hmm. So this part is done. So I'll just remove call to action. Let's call it since we are already giving a free trial. So let's see if we have any CTA called free trial. Not the sign up would make more sense. And we will use directly the application. So that is working perfectly fine. Now if you want to edit the the source parameter, you can do that. At this point I will not do that. I'll set up that later. If you want to have, if you want to allow a comments on your ads, then you can also opt it out or opt in. I'll just keep this decision on completely on you. Yeah, I think most of the things are pretty much fine and it's working perfectly fine. I'll just, since this ads is not specifically related to the Salesforce, so I'll just keep it at the digital sign up and we'll rename this part, and I'll just publish the campaign. Yeah, so this is how you can create the ads on Reddit account, and this is just the basic. With the advanced, of course there is also advanced things which we can do, like you can create ads to target the subreddits, the community. That is, I think, one of the best thing which we will be doing in future. So till now, stay tuned. Thank you so much.